EV chargers currently come in 3 different models: Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Level 1. This charge level is the simplest level of EV charging and consists of plugging the EV into a standard 120-volt AC receptacle using a unique electrical cord with the appropriate plugs in at each end. The built-in battery charger in the EV then charges the battery. This type of charging is generally limited by the amount of power that can be supplied by the receptacle, usually 12 to 16 amps or less, 1.44 to 1.92 kilowatts, which based on an EV with a 3 miles per hour kilowatt rating will add up to 5.8 miles for each hour of charging. If we charge for 10 hours overnight, it would only add up to 58 miles to the battery. Level 1 charging is useful for only limited range EVs when daily miles driven are low or when several days of dwell time are available between EV usage. Level 1 chargers are inexpensive, readily available, and can be carried with the EV. Level 2 chargers allow the EV to be connected to a 240-volt receptacle, like that used for an electric range or clothes dryer. Level 2 chargers are currently available up to around 20 kilowatts, and continuing our example, would add 60 miles for each hour of charging at 20 kilowatts. Many Level 2 chargers are in the 7 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt range, enough to fully recharge most EVs overnight. A long-range car or delivery van might have the battery capacity of 100 kilowatt hours and could be recharged over a little more than 10 hours by a Level 2 10 kilowatt charger, taking system losses into account. Level 2 chargers are readily available and moderately priced. Higher capacity Level 2 chargers are fixed in place, but lower capacity portable ones are also available. Finding a 240-volt receptacle to plug into can be much more challenging than a Level 1 120-volt receptacle. Level 3, or DCFC. DCFC charging uses DC to charge the EV battery without needing to go through the onboard AC battery charger. This charging level allows for a much higher capacity battery charging system. DCFC chargers, due to the cost and need for 480-volt electrical service, are usually limited to commercial use, either in commercial fast charging stations or in fleet operations. A 100 kW DCFC can recharge an EV with a 100 kilowatt hour battery in about an hour. At this rate, a 3 miles per kilowatt hour EV will gain 300 miles for each hour of charging. DCFC chargers are significantly more expensive than any Level 1 or Level 2 charger and require 480-volt three-phase power. This limits them mostly to commercial EV charger installations. Utilities. Most utilities have an EV charging program where they'll either provide a rebate or some type of incentive to offset the price of your EV charging costs. So take a look at your local utility, see if they provide any rebates, and see if you qualify.